Did you know that the servants at a wedding almost 2,000 years ago were the only people who witnessed Jesus' very first miracle? Picture this. A wedding celebration in Cana is turning into a nightmare. The wine has run out completely. In those days, this wasn't just embarrassing. It would bring total shame to the host family for generations. Mary, Jesus' mother, notices the disaster unfolding. She tells Jesus about the problem, even though he seems hesitant to get involved. Then something strange happens. Jesus walks up to 6 confused servants and gives them the weirdest command: fill those massive stone water jars to the very top with water. These aren't small containers. Each jar holds 20 to 30 gallons. The servants are scratching their heads, but they obey. Here's where it gets incredible. They watch Jesus do absolutely nothing visible to the water, nothing at all. But when the master of ceremonies tastes it, he declares it's the finest wine of the entire celebration. Only the servants knew the truth. They had just witnessed water become wine instantly.